Smart glasses stole the show at CES 2025. From sleek designs to mind-blowing AI, we're diving into the future. Welcome to GadInsider. Let's check it out. Voice translation, hands-free navigation, and a tiny display in your eye, smart glasses like Halliday's are changing the game. Want to see why? Stay tuned. CES 2025 was the year of smart glasses, with brands like Halliday, Even Realities, and Rokid turning heads. Sources called it a smart glasses era, and it's easy to see why. These aren't your clunky Google Glass from a decade ago. Today's glasses are sleek, stylish, and packed with features. Halliday smart glasses in particular wowed crowds with their lightweight 35-gram design and retro vibe, blending fashion with cutting-edge tech. What makes Halliday special? First, their Digi Window, a tiny 3.5-inch display that beams info like notifications or notes directly into your eye, invisible to others. Need to talk to someone in another language? Halliday's AI translates over 40 languages in real time. We tested it at CES, and it was lightning fast, turning Mandarin to English with barely a delay. Plus, hands-free navigation keeps you on track without pulling out your phone. Control it with voice, a tap, or a cool smart ring. Smart glasses are more than gadgets, they're productivity tools. Halliday's proactive AI can fact-check conversations, display teleprompter notes, or even show song lyrics. Unlike bulkier AR headsets, these weigh just 1.2 ounces and last up to 8 hours. They're perfect for travelers, professionals, or anyone who wants tech that blends into life. A Kickstarter is launching soon and shipping by March 2025. Smart glasses are finally cool, but are they for you? Halliday's missing a camera, which some love for privacy, but others might miss. Will you grab these or wait for Meta's next move? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Would you wear smart glasses daily? That's the future of smart glasses at CES 2025. If you're hyped for Halliday and more, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell for the latest tech updates.